Good morning guys and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I can't believe I'm filming my first ever YouTube video's introduction in literally my pajamas and like with glasses, and my hair is all oily. But today is a fun day because we are going to South Bombay. Basically I had work in Churchgate which got cancelled, but I already made up my mind. So I was like, I have to go now. Now that I've planned the whole thing, I want to go. Okay, so I just got done with my shower. I do not have time to do my makeup. I was supposed to pick up my sister at 11 and it's already 11, so I'm running super late. So that's what we're going to fix. I am going to pack my bag. I'm going to take all of my makeup. So let's pack my bag. This is the tote bag that I like to carry everywhere because it's so big. It's from Miragio. So let's quickly pack everything here. This is my makeup pouch. I'm going to put as much as I can. It's actually not capable of carrying so much makeup. Shit. Okay, done. Here's my wallet. It's already in there, so that's good. Earphones. These are my base for the makeup. This is my moisturizer and this is my sunscreen. So I'm just going to put that directly because it's too big to go in the pouch. I'm also carrying a book, and I'm also going to take my iPad because I like to play games on it sometimes. So yeah, that's everything that I want to take. So my bag is packed, but I also need to do a few things. I need to take my vitamins. You guys didn't see me have breakfast because I literally gulped down the dosa. Say hi to my first vlog. We are on the way to mom's. I don't even know what we're going to do till 5, but we'll figure. You've done that like 3 times. Say something else. I am excited. So we are on our way to go to Colaba, and I did my makeup in my mom's office and I made her dress just like me. Look at her makeup and mine. Same but different. So yeah, we're headed. We're finally home and I just started to journal. So I'm doing my end of the day journaling, and today was such a long day. I didn't see that happening. Like I thought it would be just like a few hours outside and then I would be home. But turns out things were planned in a different way. Hi, so it's actually the next morning. Honestly, like I'd been feeling a little weird the whole day, but as soon as I got home, I wasn't okay at all. I started feeling feverish. I have a cold. I've developed like cough over the night also. So yeah, I just decided to do the haul for everything I shopped at Colaba yesterday, right now in the morning. So I bought a lot of stuff for my sister, honestly, because she doesn't go all the way to Colaba on her own that much. So whenever I take her, I make sure that she gets whatever she wants. So we actually got most of the stuff for her, but I did find some really cool stuff for myself as well. So the first thing has to be this Zara dupe top. It has a Zara branding, but you guys know that it's not Zara. It's basically this pink like top with a collar and it's short, so looks really nice. The next thing and my favorite purchase from Colaba were these. They are so cute and so coquette. They came in like 3 different colors. Then I got this, which is basically a charger case. It also came with like a wire and this sort of like cow thing at the bottom. I've been wanting this for a while, and so I just saw this very randomly and I just got it. Wow, I'm sick, dude. Like it's getting hard for me to even sit for this long. And then the next thing are these also I got, like true steel, bro. These earrings I got for like I think 100 rupees, and of course after bargaining, but they're so heavy, like they feel really good. So I was very happy when I got this for like 100 rupees. I was like, bro, I have to take it. Then I got this, like the viral whatever. I had this in white already, and I got the white one again for my sister because she's been wanting it. And so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my first ever YouTube vlog. I want to get better at doing this. I'm still kind of learning things. I promise I will do better. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.